Hey guys, today's video is gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be an unboxing video. I got a mystery box from my husband. He was so creative with Christmas presents this year. And my push present. If you guys wanna know what my push present was, I'll link my labor and delivery story video down below and you guys can check that out. But yeah, this was just a really creative present. He created a mystery box for me. He went sourcing a bunch of places and just bought a bunch of things and made me a mystery box, and it's definitely the best mystery box I've ever received. First thing in the box are these new with tags Lucky Brand jeans. These are the Lil Maggie ultra low rise super slim fit flare jeans. They are a bigger size. They're a size 14 or a size 32. Look like this. All the tags, all the stickers, excellent condition. Little Maggie jeans. I'll save the best things for last because there's a lot of really good shit in here. Like seriously, he did really well. Then we have some new with tags Adidas 3/4 tight mid-rise leggings. They look like this. These are a size medium. I like the green. Get a North Face jacket, size extra small. Green, like windbreaker. Okay, this is a fun little jacket. It's Ivy Park, which is Beyonce's clothing line. It's a size medium. It's just a like sheer, lightweight, like jacket type thing. It's definitely sheer. But I like it. It says Ivy Park on the arm, which you can't see. Alright, more new and tag stuff. These are Nike Pro Leggings, size large, in this camo print. Yes, I love me some Nike Pro Leggings. More Nike pants. These are just Nike sweatpants, size medium. Look like this. So they're joggers. They're joggers. Joggers. Ooh, I like how they say Nike on the bottom here. I don't know if you can even tell. Oh, there we go. They're really pretty. More Nike leggings, size medium. Look like that. These are crop. He found some Victoria's Secret pink. This is a size small. I really like the mauve color. Just a crew neck. And then it says Love Pink on the back. We got this Champion sweatshirt that I might keep for myself. It's a size extra large, but yeah, maybe it is a little too big. But it's just a really pretty baby blue. Oh yeah, it is pretty big. It's a really pretty baby blue color. More Victoria's Secret pink. This is a size large. It's really soft with a leopard print logo. Really oversized, cozy. This LL Bean jacket, size large. Looks like that. Ooh, down on the back, LL Bean. Authentic issue. Then we've got this Nike sweatshirt, size small. I might bleach this. It's just a black sweatshirt. On to my favorite things. He got some Lululemon pieces. First are these. I believe these are Wonder Unders. They are a size 4. And this really pretty floral and navy blue pattern. With like mesh at the bottom here. Yeah, I believe these are Wonder Unders. These ones, I do not know what they are. I think they're Wonder Unders as well. These are a size 2. This really pretty soft, like super soft gray. These are cropped. And then no idea what these are. These are like compression pants, I think. They're size 6. Still has the pull tag on them. They look like this. Like these are like definitely compression. I don't know what these are called. All my Lulu experts out there, help me out, because I know I get so frustrated when I try to search for Lululemon pieces on Lulu Fanatics, and it's like you're searching through literally hundreds of things. It's hard. So if anyone knows what these are called, please let me know. They have like a speckled, yeah. It's like a mauve taupe color, like a purpley taupe. Look like that. 3 Patagonia jackets. I think I'm gonna keep at least one. don't know. I want to keep them all, but yeah. Ugh. First one is this purple one. It's a Chinchilla T-snap size medium. Looks like this. Pretty purple. We've got this one is also Chinchilla size medium. Really pretty blue and brown. My favorite. It's a size large. Look at this print. I love it. This is actually, this would have been perfect to wear when I was pregnant, but I think it's going to be way too big for me now. I don't know. I'm going to try it on, see if I like it. It is for sale in my closet. If I get the right price, I will sell it. But this is a really rare print. And the size is also really rare. I tried looking up comps and all I could find were like extra smalls and smalls in this print. There is a blue and white print, but again, this like pink and white, it's rare. But look at it. I love it. That was everything that I got in my mystery box from my husband. I think he did a really good job. If you're interested in anything that I show in this video, head on over to my Poshmark closet because everything will be listed by the time this video is up. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.